Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this package here. I actually got these here from Kikagoods and I'm going to open up on camera today because if you know me, I'd love to share them. So these are the little figures for these ones. I am obsessed with little minifigures at the moment, and yeah, I'm just so looking forward to opening these. Look at them. I'm trying to decide which ones here I'd really like. So I'm loving all the pink ones. So that little guy down there, is he a hedgehog? I love this little guy. I think this one here might be a snail. Oh my goodness, is that a little pig? Oh my goodness. Okay, look, I've just been staring at this for a little while. Look at this little tree stump. So cute. Any that I'm not really that keen on. No, I think I like them all. Maybe like the ones with the faces are probably like my least favorite, but it doesn't mean I don't like them. So yeah, here are the bags. Look at all the little characters and all the graphics and stuff here. Here are the bags. This is what they look like. Look, little trees, so super cute. Here they are. I don't know what it is. I just love them. Like I said, I'm loving mini figurines at the moment, and actually displaying tiny ones. I've got some new shelves to put these up with. So yeah, if you want to obviously see how they turn out, definitely subscribe, and we will display them in a future video. Here's the first one. Let's go. Who do we get? Oh my goodness! Oh, look at this little guy. Is he an acorn? I'd call him an acorn. Look how cute that is. Okay, figure number one. Oh, that is definitely a little hedgehog. Look how cute he is. What is that? Is that a little mushroom? Do you call that a little mushroom? I don't know, but he's so cute. Go, figure number two. Number three. I like the way that these are really easy to open as well. We're having a little brown lot here. The little reindeer. Look, that would be so cute for a Christmas display. I love that. These are all really nice and super shiny as well. Look at that. Oh, I love little figures. Okay, number four. Oh, another one. What are the chances of that? Okay, the little log slice. I was hoping I would get this one. Like I said, that is looking so cute. Look at that. I reckon I could probably put one of these little guys on top as well. Look, we could stack them. Okay, what is this? Number five? Please don't be a brown one this time. Oh, it's not. Who is this? Look at him. Oh, love him. This is why I love little mini ones as well, guys, because like obviously they're cheaper to buy than the kind of like bigger pieces, but then you get more. Come on. Oh, we have a face one. Who is this? Oh, it kind of looks like a little teapot, doesn't it? That one there, look. Oh, this one here has a different like kind of material for the face and stuff. Do you see that? Oh, I like him though. Let's pop him down. Next. Oh, another face. Oh, this is the main one. The like little apple boy. I really like it when you get like the glossy and the matte as well. But yeah, look at him. Can't believe that. It does look exactly like the box as well. Okay. I still haven't had a pink one yet. Oh, another face. The frog one though. And it is a pink one, so who can complain? Look at that. So cute. Come on, little snail. I want the snail more than anything now. Okay, put that with the other face one. What do I have left? I've got 3 left in here. Oh, another face. Oh, this is a frog one. This one's down the bottom there. Look at that, with a little purple frog hat. That's super cute. Look how iridescent that is. Wow. She's so shiny. Really liking them actually. There we go. This one. Oh, it's the pink pig. That was on my list of ones I wanted. Look how cute it is. It's got little wings. Oh, and a tail. Look at that. Oh, I love him. Love him. He's been my favourite pull. Oh, I'm going to put him on top of this tree stump. Look at that. So cute. And here's my last one for today. So the forest party, final one. Can it be another pink one? No. Oh, Oh, I don't actually know what this is either. I saw that on there. Is it a tree? Is it a bird? It might be a bird with like little lights on, but I really like that one as well. Look how cute that is. Okay, so here are the final pulls. Look at them. So cute. These ones here are my favorite. Let me know which one of here are your favorites. I'll show you the others that I did pull, but I'm just going to show you them on screen now so you can let me know which ones you would like to pull if you get your hands on these. I will leave the link to Kikagoods website down in the description as well as in the comments for you to check these out. They're really, really inexpensive and would make a great gift even for Valentine's Day coming up, or just like a birthday, for your friends or whatever. Just adorable. But yeah, this is the box that mine came in because obviously you had so many. And then yeah, here are the ones that you can get. So these are, like I said, my favorite. I've got the reindeer, the little mushroom, we have the acorn. I'm still unsure about what this is. It could be a rock, I suppose. I'm not sure. We've got a log slice, like a little tree stump, the pig and the little hedgehog. And then obviously we have this other mystery guy. Let me know what you think he may be. And then we have the little teapot hat guy. As well as the little pink frog type one. We have the other froggy here, which is the iridescent ones from down in the bottom. And then we have the little apple hat one as well, which was from the main graphic. But yeah, I absolutely love these. So if you want to check them out, then definitely check out Kikagoods website. They also have a ton more of collectible blind bags and everything on there. Loads and loads of different choices. If you're into little mini ones like me as well, definitely let me know if you can think of any other ones that I might want to check out. And if you see any on Kikagoods, then let me know and we can unbox those together as well. But yes, thank you so much to Kikagoods for sending these over today for me to unbox, for you guys for watching, and I will see you very soon for another video. Bye.